a wash station nearby? So clean. My car is so dirty. I need to wash my car. Here is your money.
Welcome to our car wash.
Please clean my dirty car.
Okay. I'll begin the wash now.
Car wash soaps. How to build the soap cannon machine. Step 1. Build the engine. Add the gears. Step 2. Build the soap dispenser. Add the chain. Test it.
Ready to get your car clean.
Water.
Wow, your car is shiny.
Thanks for the clean.
How to build the pressure cleaner pump. Add pump nozzle. Add the engine and the battery.
Please help me clean my garbage truck.
I'm always willing.
Thank you for the great service.
Mr. Hand, let's go out together.
Okay.
It's so dirty. Can you help me wash this car?
Okay.
Wow! Thank you.
$20 for the laundry service.
Here you go.
Have a good day. What? Don't know what's in this.
Help me clean these socks up. I will pay more money.
Sign Santa. These socks are large. Oh no, I need to use the large washing machine. I need a help.
What do I need to with these socks?
We have a big order. Use the large washing machine to wash them. Let me handle. How to build a large washing machine. Step 1. Install the washing machine. Step 2. Test the washing machine. Let's go. Step 3. Install wastewater lines. Step 4. Operability of washing machine. Let's go.
They are so dirty.
Add water. Add washing powder.
Look, this sock is all clean.
Boss, I washed all the socks.
Santa Claus just passed by, right?
Really?
Hey, but what about the money? Eagle Avenue.
We need to hurry up. The snow is falling heavily.
Huh? Why does it not run? Emergency! We need help!
The snowplow truck's blade is engineered to move large volumes of snow to the side of the road with each pass. The snowplow can reveal unexpectedly clear roads. Whoa! The road is completely cleared. How to build a snowplow. Step 1. Build the chassis. Add the wheels. Add the engine. Step 2. Build vehicle body. Add the battery box. Step 3. Complete assembly. Add the vehicle cabin. Harmony Street. Look at these mountains of snow blocking the road. Its powerful blade lifts and pushes the snow. Even large mounds of snow are swiftly cleared. It's impressive. The snow is finally brought to the gathering point. The conveyor belts carry the snow. The snow falls into defined areas.
I'm almost done.
Thanks a lot. Railroad crossing.
Pools 911.
I've had an accident and need assistance.
We'll be there in a few minutes.
How is a car carrier truck made? Step 1. Testing the chassis. Step 2. Connect a truck head to a chassis. Step 3. Build a fold ramp gate. Step 4. Build an upper floor lifting. Testing the automation. How does it work? Railroad crossing.
Luckily, everyone is okay.
Let's begin.
I'm almost done.
All right, we'll handle the rest.
Good luck. Rescue station.
I came back.
We're ready.
Try your best.
Of course, trust us.
Come on, let's do it together.
Let's begin.